Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD, work from home jobs, school teacher as well as assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the PhD entrance test or the PhD admission notification from one of the National Institute of Technology. And it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having only post graduation. Why? Because this NIT college is providing the institute fellowship to only postgraduate candidates without having any type of UGC net or the gate qualifications. Okay, and only PG candidates has to go through the written test as well as the interview, but the UGC net qualified candidates directly go for the interview. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects or the requirement is not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the matching recruitment notification or the matching admission notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, it is National Institute of Technology Raipur, guys. So from this one here we got the PhD admission notification. So this information bulletin is having total 34 pages are there. But I will show you the important points, and later I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, so first of all, here we will see that what are the different subjects are there, so that you may check down here. And this notification released on 8th December 2021. So applications are invited in email for PhD admissions in full-time or the sponsored or self-financed or the part-time categories for the academic session 2021 to 22 in the Department of Applied Geology, Architecture, Biomedical Engineering, Biotechnology, Chemical Engineering, Chemistry, Civil Engineering, Computer Applications, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Humanities and Social Sciences, Information Technology, Mathematics, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Mining Engineering and Physics. So these are the different subjects are there, guys. So if you belong to these subjects, then proceed the video. If you don't belong to these subjects, then mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. Okay, and then subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Then you will get my next videos as a notifications to your mobile phones. Okay, and how to apply. The relevant information is available in the information bulletin itself. Okay, so you need to and the candidates are required to download and fill the digital application form and deposit the requisite application fee online. The digitally filled application form PDF along with soft copy of the recent passport sized photograph, single PDF file of all the relevant documents as mentioned in the form should be emailed directly to the respective departments, okay, wherein the candidates wishes to apply. Okay, and those respective mail IDs also I will show you in this video, guys. And applications will be received till 21st December 2021 evening 5 o'clock. Okay, and application fee is 500 rupees for the general category, OBC and EWS, and for SC, ST, PH category 250 rupees only. Okay, and yeah, so coming to the next details in this PDF, you may check down the PhD admissions. And coming to the eligibility criteria, educational qualifications, master's degree in engineering, technology or science or management or humanities and social science or architecture or planning or any other equivalent qualifications recognized by the institute, you guys can apply for this one. And coming to the minimum requirement, 60% or the 6.5 CGPA at master's degree is essential for admission in the PhD program of the institute, and the 5% relaxation will be there based upon the caste categories that you may check down here, and a few more categories. Okay, and coming to the full-time research candidates, institute research student or the candidate getting the institute fellowship or the scholarship, and government or semi-government fellowship awardee QIP, CSIR, DST, UGC or DRDO, ISIT, etc. Sponsored students or the candidates being an employee of a public sector, and the sponsored from the industries under the bilateral agreement with the institute, and the self-financed candidates. Okay, and while coming to the part-time research candidates, eligibility criteria is institute faculty or the staff, those who are permanent employees of the institute, and the project staff and the research scholar of the other institute or the organization working as a part-time basis, and the external candidates who are working in other public or the private sector organizations can apply under the part-time PhD. Okay, so these are all the things, guys, and so candidates are advised to refer the institute's PhD ordinance available in the institute website itself, and here it is the link directly they provided. Coming to the selection process, the selection of the candidates for the PhD program will be based upon the MCQ, that is written examination, and their performance in the interview. The minimum eligibility criteria to appear in the interview will be cutoff marks 50% for the OC, OBC, EWS and 45% maximum marks. And the candidates who have scored above mentioned minimum marks shall only be eligible for calling the interview. Okay, and a few more points are also given here. You may check down, guys. The candidates, UGC or the CSIR, JRF or NET or teacher fellowship holder or MPhil qualified candidates need not to appear in the written entrance examination. Therefore, all such candidates will be directly called for the interview subject to their eligibility. Okay, and the reservations and the scholarship details are also mentioned here. And coming to the scholarship, as per the norms, they are going to give the scholarship amount for the full-time research scholars, guys, and the date of the written examination and the interview. Okay, the list of the candidates eligible for the written entrance examination and the date of this shortlisted candidates for the online interviews, dates of the online interviews will be displayed in the official website itself. So for that one, you have to regularly visit the official website. Okay, and the document verification. The candidate shortlisted to appear in the online interview will have to submit an undertaking that is given in Annexure 4 before appearing in the interview. Fine. So few more points are given here. Carefully check down. As per the subject wise, the research areas are also given here, and here the lot of forms are there. You need to go through very carefully in all these forms, and the total 104, I think, nearly. Okay, just wait, guys, I will show you how many fellowship institute fellowship PhD seats are there. That one also mentioned here. See, guys, only for full-time research scholars with institute fellowship or the scholarship, okay, number of seats are 105. That means 105 vacant seats are only comes under the institute fellowship. Apart from this one, the few more vacancies are also there. So by looking at the part-time and the full-time, okay, and the sponsored, all these things, there are a lot of PhD vacant seats are there. So it will be the wonderful opportunity. So utilize this one, guys. And it is anyhow, it is online interview. So by simply sitting in your home, you can apply for this one. Okay. So please share this video, and to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want